out this elderberry. This is one we do cuttings off of. Look at this plant. It smells so good. Aren't they pretty? I even made some earrings out of it. I really like the elderberry flowers. So pretty. All right, you guys, I'm back. This is Madison with Flowing Tree Farm. I'm here to introduce you the Japanese blueberry. Now, if you're looking for candy for the deer, this is your go-to plant. They will eat the heck out of this plant. As you can see, they've done some damage here. And this is their favorite plant out of everything at our farm. They absolutely love the foliage. So every time somebody wants a plant where they can kind of watch the deer at their homes, and we have many people who come here for that, I always recommend the Japanese blueberry. Now, these used to be a full shrub from bottom to top, foliage. It's just that they ate the bottoms. So we've just kind of maintained it that way, because if we keep letting it go, they're going to keep coming back. So they left the tops alone. And so if you're okay with that, this is what your plant will look like afterwards. But this is a really hardy plant. It's an evergreen. It's extremely hard to kill a Japanese blueberry. They do have the berries on them. They're not for us to eat. Most people, when they hear Japanese blueberry, they think, oh, I can eat this plant. I can eat the berries off this plant. This is like a typical blueberry plant. No, this is not. This is for animals. They can eat it. So this is a good plant. I highly recommend it. They get to be about 15 feet tall. These